What's the meaning of classifier? Classifier. Classifier.
Classifier. Classifier. Classifier refers to a computational model or algorithm that is trained to categorize or label data into predefined categories based on certain features or characteristics. Its objective is to accurately predict the class or category of new, unseen data based on its similarity to previously classified data. The classifier achieves this through the use of statistical and machine learning techniques such as decision trees, logistic regression, and support vector machines. This technology is widely used in various fields including natural language processing, computer vision, and fraud detection, among others.